Forget discounts. Amazon's new financing program gives buyers 0% interest and could increase your sales by 20%. And right here to access it, you're actually going to log into Amazon Seller Central and you're going to go into the Growth tab and click on Explore Programs. Once you click on Explore Programs, you're going to scroll all the way down. Let's just see if all the way down into Enroll into FCF. And then click Learn More. Once you do that, bam, you're on the FCF page, and this is directly in Seller Central. They make it hard to get to, I believe, on purpose, but increase sales by offering customers 0% APR, interest-free installment options on your products priced above $50. So if you sell products above $50, you can now offer 0% APR. Guess what? Amazon pays you upfront. So if a customer enrolls in this, Amazon pays you upfront. If a customer doesn't pay the installment rates, right, the 0 APR installment payments, you still get paid. Amazon takes the brute force of this, right? So this is a huge opportunity for sellers. So you can check this out yourself. And you can see directly on their page, Amazon says increases sales on products by as much as 5 to 20%. Not bad at all. Now, we do have a couple clients that are enrolled in this already, and it has been working pretty well for them. We have seen an uptick in sales, but only on their listings that are fully optimized. And that's why you should definitely make sure your listings are optimized. You can go to the link in the description. We do a free listing audit, and we'll tell you straight up, just fill this out. We'll tell you straight up, hey, your listing's not optimized. Here's your top competitors. Right? We'll look at all of your top improvements and give you a personalized spreadsheet for completely free. That way, if you enroll in this program and it doesn't work out, you know why, right? So we're going to be honest with you. Check that out. There's also the pricing on this. Amazon does charge a fee because Amazon's taking the brute force of this. So if somebody pays $100, Amazon's giving $100 pretty much upfront to you, right? So you can see Amazon's charging 4.2%. So if you sell a product that's $100 and you enroll in this program, Amazon's going to charge you an extra $4.20, which is 4.2% of $100. Now, this is because if the customer doesn't pay those installment payments, Amazon loses. Amazon has to try to get it back from the customer. You get paid up front. Okay, so this is why Amazon charges you a percentage. And you can choose, do you want to do short-term installment payments for the customer, mid-term or long-term, right? And again, Amazon pays you up front. Amazon's the one who pretty much has to get the installment payments back and all that fun stuff. So these are the fees. You can definitely check that out. Then there's additional questions, right? So what if they don't make the installment payments, which I just mentioned? Your seller account will not be affected if a customer does not make the installment payments to the financial partner. So keep that in mind at the end of the day. If they don't, it says right here, Amazon's going to pay you up front. And if they don't pay, your seller account isn't impacted at all. So hard to beat that, right? So Amazon's really trying here, especially for the holiday season, like customers, dads, moms, they're willing to enroll in these programs and get their credit pooled so they can afford to buy all these extra gifts for their family, right? Their children. So it's definitely going to increase sales as long as your listing's optimized. And plus, if they return it, so if the buyer returns the product, all of the fees you were charged will be refunded back to you, right? So, I mean, it's hard to lose this. You can also disenroll your products at any time. It's not like you have to sign a contract with Amazon. So this is a pretty solid opportunity. They even give examples on the breakdown and how you're charged, but not bad at all at the end of the day. But that's it for today's video. And if you want more videos like this or any video regarding Amazon, tell me in the comments. I'll make a video on it. If you learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to this channel because I don't see anybody talking about this at all. You would never know about this program except for this video. So if you drop a subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales or anything mentioned in this video, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer full account management. We'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, help you figure out these new programs, implement them so you can stay ahead of the game and increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.